Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pipedream to automate data operations with AI step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Pipedream website by typing in the URL. Click on the login button located in the upper right corner of the home page. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Pipedream account in the first field. Proceed to enter your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Pipedream dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, which includes your workflows, logs, and available integrations. To create a new automation, click on the New Workflow button. Next, choose a trigger source for your automation, such as an HTTP request or a scheduled event. Select the desired action that will process your data, like sending a notification or updating a database. Customize your workflow settings as needed based on your specific automation requirements. Review and test the workflow to ensure that everything functions as intended. Once you're satisfied with the setup, save your workflow by clicking on the Save button. Your automation is now ready to run and operate seamlessly in the background. You can monitor the automation's performance from the dashboard at any time. Explore Pipedream's extensive library of integrations and features to maximize your data operations. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Pipedream and created your first automation with AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.